I'm sleepy. Sleepy, honey. I took pictures. I seen them though. They seen me. They told me how. They said hi to me. I always got a picture of me. Took a picture of me. He's on his YouTube. I always got a picture of me on his YouTube. Took a picture with me. I always took a picture with me. Take a picture of me. If you see it, go on our YouTube. You see me. You know he like content. I like content. Tell you now, I need my money. Tell you now, Tell you now, need to get paid. Tell you now. Fine. Home.
Attention passengers, is there a Renato Burgos on the plane? Renato Burgos.
And I'm
Sam Deldoni.
Right now, I'm be real late because when I get in, I'm going to bed.
What time?
Right now, I'm be later on. Going to bed.
Okay.
I'm sleeping. I ain't get back to my hotel. I ain't get my hotel at 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm tired.
Nah, I can imagine. How was your day?
Maggie,
Yeah.
hey, you have fun?
Yeah.
That's nice. That's nice.
Yeah.
Um,
Clue thought he was getting in, but they screwed Clue out.
because that's a man.
They told Clue he got to go.
Cause that's
I
a
told him
man.
already. He no bad boy. This
Maggie,
actual
if you
stuff.
look on his page, Maggie, you will see all the tea and stuff on his page. I posted all the tea and stuff, so if you want to
But
see.
I'm
Yeah,
tired of
Maggie,
it.
Maggie used to follow.
They screwed exclusive out.
Yeah, you used to follow.
Also, they said they
It's not for boys.
they, they also said Smiley pulled it up to Africa. Smiley pulled it up to Africa.
I tried to warn Clue. He was gonna get in. He didn't believe me, honey. I tried to warn Clue.
And Scotty got
And he wanna get
What
in.
clue, Maggie? Are you talking about exclusive? Who's clue?
He better go to bad boy school, not bad, not the bad
Yeah,
club.
yeah,
He go to
the
bad boy school.
bad
You're,
boy.
you're in the wrong club.
They said Scotty got jumped. He got snuck.
No,
It's a video
it,
on the page.
oh, somebody hit it back. I mean, Sky hit it back.
On all the T and stuff's on the page.
Well, I guess.
Maggie, you
They,
gotta go
they,
on
they do
airplane
they,
mode.
they do more than Biggie. I really do.
Gotta go on airplane mode too, dude.
Yeah,
Don't worry,
before y'all pull off, go on airplane mode, Maggie.
man.
Where you in? You in
It's
Africa?
far.
You on the flight back from Africa? Did you go to Baddies after?
Somebody got mixed. Somebody got maced.
Ooh,
Somebody got mace? Ooh. Wait, somebody
Somebody
got
said
mace?
Maggie, they said,
somebody,
did you win that cash?
What's up,
Did you
Layla?
get
What's up,
the
Layla?
ticket?
somebody got maced. And somebody said it's suing Zeus for not doing their security right. Somebody got maced. She's going for to court on money. Somebody shut in the courts. Zeus might be getting sued, honey. They got maced.
Maggie, girl, you should have said you got made so you could get that money.
No, did the girl mace somebody? This kid didn't do nothing about it. The
Yeah.
girl got maced.
God,
And they had security check-in too. They didn't check their bag and didn't check it right.
God protect them in Jesus' name.
Yeah, she gonna be.
Hey, Maggie.